To get the most out of the TD Bank CD calculator, it is essential to understand what it does and how to use it effectively. The TD Bank CD calculator is a tool that helps you determine the potential earnings on a certificate of deposit, or CD, based on the initial deposit amount, interest rate, and term length. First, you need to determine the initial deposit amount you plan to invest in the CD. This is the principal amount that will earn interest over time. Next, you need to choose the term length of the CD, which can range from a few months to several years. The term length will affect the interest rate you earn, with longer terms typically offering higher interest rates. The interest rate is another crucial factor to consider when using the TD Bank CD calculator. The interest rate will determine how much interest you earn on your initial deposit over the term length. You can choose from a variety of CD products offered by TD Bank, each with its own interest rate and term length. To use the TD Bank CD calculator, simply enter the initial deposit amount, term length, and interest rate into the calculator. The calculator will then provide you with an estimate of the total interest earned in the total balance at the end of the term. For example, if you deposit $1,000 into a CD with a 2% interest rate and a 1-year term, the calculator will estimate that you will earn approximately $20 in interest over the term, resulting in a total balance of $10-20 at the end of the year. When using the TD Bank CD calculator, it is essential to consider the interest compounding frequency, which can affect the total interest earned. Compounding interest means that the interest earned is added to the principal amount, so that the interest earned in subsequent periods is calculated based on the new principal balance. Another key concept to consider is the early withdrawal penalty, which applies if you withdraw your money before the end of the term. This penalty can range from a few months to a year's worth of interest, depending on the term length and the amount withdrawn. In conclusion, the TD Bank CD calculator is a valuable tool that can help you make informed decisions about your CD investments. By understanding the key concepts, such as initial deposit amount, term length, interest rate, and compounding frequency, you can use the calculator to estimate the potential earnings on your CD and make the most out of your investment.